The Code of Conduct Tribunal has rejected the order by the Federal High Court and the National Industrial Court challenging its jurisdiction to hear the corruption case against the Chief Justice of Nigeria, Walter Onnoghen. The CCT chair, Justice Danladi Yakubu, insisted that the Constitution gives it power to adjudicate in all matters sent to it by the Code of Conduct Bureau, therefore advising the defense to withdraw all cases challenging the tribunal's jurisdiction. Speaking after the ruling, lead defense counsel Wole Olanikbeku assured the CJN will challenge the tribunal's jurisdiction.
The chairman gave a ruling saying that the decisions of the Federal High Court, the National Industrial Court, and the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory, the interim orders given are not binding on the tribunal. And in the wisdom of the tribunal, or in the ruling of the tribunal, the tribunal said all those rulings constitute a nullity. So the second member said that the proper thing for them to do, relying on decisions of the Supreme Court or Court of Appeal on the Constitution, etc., held that ordinarily they ought to adjourn sine die in obedience, in compliance with those rulings. The third member held that she agreed in toto with the chairman of the tribunal. The tribunal said we should go ahead with the application challenging his jurisdiction. We were served with processes just yesterday night, about 8 p.m. I believe. Yes. And we have 2 days within which to reply. And the matter has been adjourned to Monday, the 28th of January. I think that's all that transpired. And we as lawyers, we don't want to go beyond that.
Meanwhile, the spokesperson for the Coalition of United Political Parties, Ugo Chinyere Ikenga, accused the CCT chairman of being influenced by the presidency.
We came here today because all along we have had this fear that Mr. Danladuma wants to murder democracy and that the federal government wants to murder democracy. You were aware when we raised the alarm that this whole setting here is to achieve one single purpose, which is to illegally remove the Chief Justice of Nigeria from office and install Justice Tanko Mohammed as acting CJN. And I say this knowing that Danladi Umar is already compromised.
Though the CCT hearing has been adjourned to Monday, 28th January, the appeal court will sit on the matter on January 24th. Gloria Oji Emodi for Roots TV, Nigeria.